quick before we get started on the video, I just wanted to share this little story with you. My friend Rodney, I hope you've seen the video of Rodney and Linda's 32 Ford collection or hot rod collection. Rodney just called and we were reminiscing about this summer, about an event that we went to, and we just got to laughing about it. I looked back on my phone and I had this video that you're about to watch. It's pretty funny. He's got a 1932/34 Ford pickup truck, probably one of the nicest in the country in my opinion. Very, very well built. It is all Ford. I mean, with the exception of maybe some gauges or something like that, it is extremely nice. It's probably 95% 32 Ford, but they asked over and over for him to bring it to the 90th birthday anniversary corral for the 1932 Fords that they had set up there. And they had all kinds of cars, brand new built stuff with brand new parts, original cars. Everything you could imagine was in the corral when it comes to 32 Fords. So he's not one to show off, but we took it over there after they asked several times, and we went in. They gave us a really neat 90th birthday license plate, and but no more than about 20 feet after we got in, we get chased down by one of the staff of the show and says, "Hey, are you guys just driving through? Because that's a 34. And I'm telling you, a 32 Ford pickup and a 34 Ford pickup, I mean, first glance, second glance, third glance, they all look the same. But there is a few differences to the cab, and the back of this cab happened to be a 34 cab. Nobody's trying to disguise it. Nothing was done to it to make it anything than what it was. But anyway, they asked him to leave the corral, you know, with a truck that's like 98% Henry Ford. And we just laughed about it. If you recognize the event, it is one of the best car shows in the country. We have been 100 times and we'll be back 100 times, God willing. And nothing more than just a bunch of chuckles, you know, that happened. But I think it's enjoyable because we're going to take you through the show in the truck and show you just about all the cars that are there that you can see through a drive-through. So stick around, watch the video, let me know what you think. It's free to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and come back and see us.
Exactly. Yeah. So that's a 34 cab. Yeah. Well, there's some fiberglass cars here too. There's some fiberglass cars. Yeah. So. Okay. You see what I'm saying? It's original frame, so flathead motor. Driving around and you're gonna take off. Yeah. Okay. We're not parking, partner. Okay.
Yeah. A little picky, isn't he?
Yeah. So he wasn't gonna even let you park in there.
Yeah, but we got one.
Yeah, we got one anyway.
lady in the red shirt's gonna make it.